Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the government, of course, under the Beni Marama government, the Fiji First government, has provided a number of initiatives and incentives to encourage local manufacturing, local processing, agriculture, informal sectors have, of course, grown, and the expansion of the export base. Promoting Fijian made by Fijian, these are very critical issues. However, simply the promotion of this does not always assist in encouraging manufacturers and have value adding continue in Fiji. So as a result of which, government has over the years provided a number of initiatives to the different sectors, and I could read out all of them, Madam Speaker. So for example, I'll start off from 2014. There was a reduction in fiscal duty to 0% on importation of all agricultural items. There's exemption of bunker fee of 2 cents per litre for local fishing vessels. There was duty concession on specialized fishing item and equipment. There was increase in fiscal duty on imported CD from $1 CD to $2 a CD. There's a fiscal duty increased on prefabricated countertops from 5% to 32%. In 2013, Madam Speaker, there was an increased duty on cool room freezer panels, boxes, cases, etc., of styrofoam to 32%. Madam Speaker, in 2012, fiscal duty on canned fish increased from 15% to 32%. This is imported canned fish. Fiscal duty on electrical mounting blocks increased from 5% to 15%. Fiscal duty on excise books increased from 15% to 32% to encourage local manufacturing and local manufacturers. Specific duty rate of $1 introduced on blank CDs and DVDs. Fiscal duty on the machinery used in the manufacture of goods reduced to 0%, used to be 32%. 2015 was reduced to 0%. This is why now you see a growth in factories. The fiscal duty on raw materials reduced to 0% for all manufacturers based outside Viti-Levu. So people in Vanuatu-Levu, etc., benefited from the importation of raw materials to encourage manufacturing in those areas. Fiscal duty on agricultural inputs was reduced to 0%, again encouraging the agricultural sector. Fiscal duty on cables increased from 15% to 32% in 2011. Fiscal duty on mops increased from 5% to 32% because there's a mop manufacturer in Vanuatu-Levu. 2010, there was an increase in fiscal duty on corrugated paper and paper boards from 5% to 32% because we had local manufacturers of corrugated paper and paper boards. 2009, fiscal duty on multi-wick kerosene stove and spare parts increased from 5% to 32%, again because they were to assist the local manufacturers. Fiscal duty on inspection traps, drain covers, gratings and the like increased from 3% to 15%. Fiscal duty on fresh or dried coconut increased from 3% to 15%, again to encourage more local manufacturers of this. This is in 2008. 2008 also, fiscal duty increased from 3% to 15% for pineapples, guavas, mangoes and mangosteens, oranges, mandarin and lemon, because these were being imported from other countries, of course, to encourage local producers. 2007, fiscal duty on lamps, lightings, fittings increased from 3% to 15%. Fiscal duty on prawns increased from 15% to 27%, again to encourage more local prawn farming. Fiscal duty on goat meat, fresh, chilled or frozen, increased from 3% to 27%. Fiscal duty on cabbage, cauliflower, carrots, peas, beans and capsicum increased from 3% to 27%. Fiscal duty on lettuce and eggs was increased from 15% to 27%. Fiscal duty on cheese, retail package, milk, cream and yogurt was increased. These are all bulk items, 15 to 27% in 2007. Fiscal duty on cheese bulk was increased from 3% to 27%. And I also have, as the question was asked for 2006, also have in 2006 there was fiscal duty of 3% was introduced on the importations of precious jewelry and imitation jewelry. Now there was also concessions under Section 10. This is separate to what is in the actual Customs Tariff Act. There are concessions in under Section 10, which I'll read out: full cream powdered milk in bulk, free fiscal duty, free import excise duty, free VAT. Liquid milk in all packs and sizes, retail in bulk, free fiscal duty, free import excise VAT. Bulk butter, free fiscal duty, free import excise VAT. Specialized agriculture, livestock and dairy machineries, equipment and inputs, free fiscal duty, free import excise VAT. Specialized machinery directly used for fisheries and forestry purposes, free fiscal duty, free import excise and VAT. When I say VAT, meaning VAT was charged. Exemption of bunker fee of 2 cents a litre and duty-free fuel concession for local fishing vessels, free fiscal duty, free import excise, plus VAT. Raw materials, fish, salt, and edible oil, free fiscal duty, free import, excise duty, and 15% VAT. This is, of course, for the canning factories in Fiji, to encourage more canning in factories in Fiji. Prawn larvae, prawn feed, pesticide, fungicide, lime, formalin, free fiscal duty, free import excise, 15% VAT. Rope, floats, monofilament, spat collector lines, protective plastic mesh, panel and pocket nets, 3% fiscal duty, free import excise plus VAT. Seedling trays, oasis for flower arrangements and salon cloths, free fiscal duty, free import excise plus VAT. Cab and chassis, this is for the vehicles, 5% fiscal duty, free import excise and VAT. Cab and chassis, rice in the husk brown, semi-milled or wholly milled rice, broken rice, free fiscal duty, free import excise and VAT. Shell peas, free fiscal duty, free import excise plus VAT. Butane gas, 2 cents per kilogram, fiscal duty, free import excise plus VAT. Fabrics used in the manufacture of diapers, free fiscal duty, free import excise plus VAT. Underproof spirits, $31.92 fiscal duty, free import excise and 12.5% VAT. Overproof spirits, $55.91 fiscal duty, free import excise plus VAT. Thank you very much.